Okay, no children were harmed in the making of the transformation of this hair. Okay, yeah, she gave me a fuss, but she's starting to get better. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. But hear me out. Okay, you're like, how? She has some nerve coming on here, showing her child looking like this. Okay, it gets better. Trust me, just stick around. Now, if you have toddlers, we have 5 under 5, okay? This is Delilah Joyce, our oldest. If you have toddlers, you know, they just be doing stuff, okay? And I mean that when I say it. They just be doing stuff, okay? And anybody that is a toddler parent knows that they're running around, flipping, flopping, rolling and stuff and doing all types of stuff. When it comes to bedding, raise your hand, okay? If you right now can go into any bedroom in your home, preferably the kids' room, hopefully, okay? And if you can find some type of blanket or something that's been ripped up, scratched up, a hole in it, the fluff and stuff and coming out of it, let me know, because that is a thing around here, okay? So what you saw was the hair having the particles from pillows and the bedding and help, okay? It's a mess, okay? Anyway, so this is something that we do often. Starting to get better, and I'm thankful for that. So what I used this time around was, if you have seen my video when I washed my own hair, I used the same keratin treatment for her hair, but I just used the conditioner. I only put just the conditioner of the Walmart's Equate Beauty keratin conditioner in her hair, and that worked. It just cleaned out all that dirt, added some moisture in there. I really like the Equate Beauty line. Go watch that video. I'll link it down below. Well, I'll link it in the description box. Yes, so then we went on to do her actual hair. I put some regular puffs in it after combing it out. I didn't want to do too much because I do plan on going back and doing a deep conditioning treatment, but she did let me do her hair like this. She was very good, and I'm so thankful for that, because the fuss, the attitude, okay? We're both Aries. I'm the 6th, she's the 18th, and it's like sometimes we clash. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a mom trying to figure it out, trying to do her daughter's hair. And if you have any tips or suggestions, please make sure you comment them down below. Help us all, okay? Because I'm learning myself. Learn with me, okay? Have a blessed day, everybody. Bye.